Let's create this neon effect in Premiere Pro. First, create a text layer, and for this effect, you need a thin font. I'll include a link to my font in the description. Next, search for the drop shadow effect. Drag and drop it into your text. Then in the effects control, choose a color. I'm going with this green, and set the opacity to 100, set the distance to 0. Click on the drop shadow effect, then press Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V but 5 times to paste it. Now we have 6 drop shadow effect, which you can see in the Essential Graphics panel. Next, adjust the softness for each drop shadow. Set the first one to 10, the second to 50, third 100, then 200, then 400, and last one to 1000, and reduce opacity to 50. And that's it. The only downside is if you want to change the color, you need to adjust the color for each shadow. You can save this as a preset for future use, or you can download my free text effect including this neon effect. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!